Mayor Williams. Today this tutorial will be informing you on how to wire, code, and turn a servo motor using a potentiometer, as well as viewing the values on the serial monitor. The picture above shows a complete Tinkercad diagram of the servo being wired to the breadboard as well as the servo motor. The servo motor cables in Mr. Eshoff's classroom will not be black, red, and white. Instead, they will be brown, red, and orange. If you need time to look at the Tinkercad diagram, you may pause. I'm going to move on. The materials needed for this activity are labeled below. You will need a breadboard, an Arduino to laptop cable. You will need breadboard wires. You will need 8 in total. Color is not required, but it is preferred for organization purposes. You will need a potentiometer, and you also need a servo motor. Next, you're going to open up the Arduino app. Now, you can get a base example code for the knob by going to Examples, Servo, Knob. I'm going to click off because I have an example up. Next, you're going to change the My Servo attachment to the signal you attach the servo to. Next, you're going to click on the magnifying glass in the top right hand corner. And numbers will not be displayed on yours, but since I have, I'm going to show you at the end of the video how these numbers are up here. In the background, you hear the the potentiometer turning. Next, I'm going to show you the the potentiometer going. Now, as I turn the potentiometer, you will not see, but on screen, the serial monitor will be viewing numbers.